Today we're going to do a portfolio update video, but before we get to that, if you're new here, my name is Elliot. I make videos about investing, the stock market, and I also do portfolio update videos just like this one. So if you enjoy this kind of stuff, make sure to hit the subscribe button. I upload new videos every 2 weeks. So my phone should be coming up right about now. And looking at the 1 week, I'm up $126.47 or 1.52%. 1 month, I'm up $583.63 or 7.44%. The 3-month chart, I'm up $286.14 or 3.51%. Year to date, I'm up $217.04 or 2.64%. 1 year, I'm up $1,634.72 or 24.04%. And all time, I'm up $3,579.63 or 73.76%. Going down to my stocks, first up is Apple. I have 5 shares. Average cost is $87.95. I'm up $943.81 or 209%. And I haven't bought no Apple recently. I'm just trying to get my position down a little bit. You can see it almost makes up 17% of my portfolio. And looking at the year to date, they're basically flat. Microsoft, I have 1 share. Average cost is $195.57. I'm up $302.63 or 120%. Amazon, I have 2 shares. Average cost is $118.20. I'm up $306.31 or 115%. Looking at the year to date, they're up almost 10%, which is very good. Next is Visa, and Visa is probably my favorite financial stock. I have 2 shares. Average cost is $256.24. I'm up $107.95 or 21%. One thing I like about Visa is its dividend yield. It has a 0.80% yield, which I know isn't high, but they have plenty of room to grow that dividend in the future if they want to. And looking at the year to date, they're down almost 12%, so it might be a good buying opportunity. United Health, I have 1 share. Average cost is $436.23. I'm down $86.69 or 18%. And year to date, they're up 7%, but they went downhill real bad last year. They're down almost 17% for the year. I think my last portfolio update, my average cost was right around $525. So you can see just by dollar cost averaging into the stock, I've got it down almost $100. Waste Management, I have 2 shares. Average cost is $159.01. I'm up $132.65 or 41%. After Waste Management, we have Coca-Cola. I have 3 shares. Average cost is $51.35. I'm up $82.85 or 45%. And their year to date is 7%. So Coca-Cola is doing very good for the year. Pepsi, I have 2 shares. Average cost is $158.49. I'm down $9.16 or almost 3%. And of course, I'm buying Pepsi for their dividend yield, 3.62%. And same thing with Coca-Cola, both really good dividend stocks. Fastenal, I have 5 shares. Average cost is $25.61. I'm up $97.41 or 75%. Year to date, they're up almost 12%. Bank of America, I have 4 shares. Average cost is $27.06. I'm up $110.31 or 95%. Year to date, they're down almost 4%. AbbVie, I have 2 shares. Average cost is $141.82. I'm up $129.60 or 41%. And they're down almost 13% for the year. Abbott, I have 2 shares. Average cost is $106. I'm down $28.59 or almost 14%. For the year, they're down almost 27%. So this is a really good buying opportunity if you want to start a position in Abbott. American Electric Power. I have 2 shares. Average cost is $133.78. I'm down $4.35 or just over 1%. Year to date, they're up almost 15%. And if you've been following my portfolio updates for a while, you'll notice this is where American Water was. And I did sell American Water, and I did a whole video going in depth why I did that. So feel free to go back and watch that. But I really like how electric companies are right now, and I really think they're overlooked, especially with AI. AI uses a lot of data centers, and those data centers use enormous amounts of power. And I really think that electric companies are kind of overlooked when you're thinking about investing in AI. So I did sell American Water, and I still like American Water. It's just I thought that my money would do much better with American Electric. Next up, we have VanEck Semiconductor ETF. I have 2 shares. Average cost is $159.95. I'm up $647.58, almost 200%. Year to date, they're up almost 30%. This is probably one of my favorite ETFs right now. Vanguard High Dividend Yield ETF. I have 1 share. Average cost is $120.44. I'm up $57.58 or 28%. Year to date, they're up almost 8%. Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. It's up 3.57%. I have 2 shares. Average cost is $430.52. I'm up $447.80 or 51%. And I dollar cost average into this ETF every single time I invest. Right now, it makes up almost 16% of my portfolio, and I've been slowly building that up. I really want this to be the main holding in my portfolio. And that is the last stock I own. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments below. What stocks are you guys buying? And we'll see you next time.